welcome to the deep dive. Today, we're looking into something that could change how you connect when you travel. eSIMs.
That's right. We've been looking at info from eSIMO.io.
And the goal is to quickly get our heads around this tech. It's aimed at you if you travel, love tech, or, work remotely.
Definitely. If you've ever fumbled with those little SIM cards at an airport or got hit with surprise roaming bills, this is for you.
Okay, so first things first. What exactly is an eSIM?
Well, forget the physical card you pop in and out. An eSIM that's embedded SIM is actually a tiny chip already inside your phone.
Like built-in, permanent.
Exactly. Think of it like your phone's Wi-Fi chip. It's just there, part of the hardware.
Ah, okay, so no more losing the little thing.
Right, and because it's built in, it lets you do something really, pretty powerful.
Which is?
Download a mobile data plan directly to your phone, instantly, over the air.
Wherever you are.
Pretty much, yeah.
Oh.
It's all done through your phone's settings, usually. Like adding a Wi-Fi network, but for mobile data.
That sounds like a massive improvement, especially, when you land somewhere new.
It really is. And that brings us to companies like eSIMO.io.
Right, our source mentioned they offer these travel eSIMs for, what was it, over 200 countries?
Yeah, a huge range. And the process seems incredibly simple.
How simple are we talking?
Usually it's just scanning a QR code. They email it to you, you scan it, boom, you're connected.
Wow. No queuing up at a phone shop in the arrival hall?
Exactly that. You bypass that whole hassle.
Okay, let's talk benefits for travelers then. The big one has to be cost, right? No roaming fees.
That's a major draw. Seriously, think about not having that fear of a giant bill when you get back, just for checking maps or email.
That peace of mind is huge.
It is, because with an eSIM, you're essentially buying a local or regional plan, so you get local-like rates.
And the convenience factor, too. No more fiddling with SIM card trays and paper clips.
And worrying about losing your home SIM card while you're away.
Yes. You just land, maybe scan the code you bought earlier, and you have data. Like straight away.
Instant connectivity, it really changes that arrival experience.
So it's great for holidays, obviously.
Absolutely. But think broader, too. Remote workers needing reliable internet wherever they set up shop. Perfect.
Consistent connection without relying solely on cafe Wi-Fi.
And you can have multiple eSIM profiles stored on your phone, too. One for Europe, one for Asia, maybe?
That's flexible. The sources even mentioned something about using it for, digital detox.
Sort of, yeah. The idea is you could use the eSIM just for data when you need it, maybe keep your main number switched off or less accessible, more control.
Interesting. Okay, but what about my actual phone number, my home number?
Ah, good question. That's often a big concern.
Can I still use it?
Yes, in
Yeah.
most cases. Modern phones let you keep your main physical SIM or eSIM active for calls and texts from your home number.
While using the travel eSIM just for mobile data abroad.
Exactly. You get the best of both worlds. Data connectivity without missing important calls or texts on your regular number.
Okay, that's a really key practical point.
Definitely addresses a common worry.
So, wrapping this up then, eSIMs seem like a genuinely smarter way to handle staying connected globally.
For sure. It's simpler, often cheaper regarding roaming, and just, well, easier. Less fuss.
You ditch the physical card hassle, avoid the roaming shock, it just smooths out travel.
It really does. That ability to just download a plan and be online almost instantly, that's a big leap forward.
It really makes you think, though, doesn't it, about where this goes next.
How so?
Well, if connectivity can be embedded and manage this easily for phones, what other devices? How else could this, embedded approach simplify our digital lives, especially when we travel, beyond just data plans?
That's a great question. The potential implications are quite broad when you think about seamless integrated connectivity.
Definitely something to ponder.
Yeah.
Anyway, thanks for taking this deep dive with us today.